Looking for a versatile, high-quality coffee maker that can keep up with your busy lifestyle? This Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker 30Aux offers an ideal balance of convenience, functionality, and flavor, making it a perfect addition to any home or office. This all-in-one coffee machine is designed to cater to a wide range of coffee preferences, from traditional ground coffee to convenient capsules and even tea. Read on to discover how the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker can revolutionize your coffee experience. Why choose the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker? The Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker is more than just a coffee machine. It's a versatile brewing companion that adapts to your tastes and schedule. With 3 brewing options, a self-cleaning feature, and a compact design, it meets the needs of coffee lovers who value quality and convenience. Here's a deep dive into what makes this coffee maker stand out. 1. Smart Touch, Simple Brew. Brewing made easy. The Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker features a user-friendly touchscreen interface with an LED control panel. The one-touch functionality ensures you can start brewing with just a simple press, making it ideal for busy mornings or when you're in a rush. No need to fiddle with complicated settings. Just choose your brewing option, press the button, and enjoy a delicious cup of coffee. Imagine waking up to the perfect cup of coffee at the touch of a button. Sounds dreamy, right? The Sunvivi makes it a reality. 2. 3-in-1 Brew, Limitless Flavor. Versatility at its best. With the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker, you're not limited to just one type of brew. Whether you prefer ground coffee, K-cup capsules, or tea, this machine can handle it all. The reusable filter basket and capsule holder give you the freedom to switch between different beverages effortlessly. Want a bold espresso in the morning and a soothing tea in the afternoon? This coffee maker has got you covered. Keep your taste buds excited with the Sunvivi's versatility. Switch from rich espresso to light tea with a simple change of the filter basket. 3. 30Aux Reservoir. Your cup choice. Brew multiple cups without refilling. A common issue with many single-serve coffee makers is the need to frequently refill the water tank. The Sunvivi solves this problem with a 30Aux water reservoir that allows you to brew multiple cups before needing a refill. Choose between 6Aux, 8Aux, or 14Aux cup sizes to suit your needs, and enjoy a swift, flavorful brew in as little as 90 seconds. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a group, the Sunvivi has the capacity to keep everyone satisfied. Hate refilling the water tank every time you make a cup of coffee? The Sunvivi's large reservoir ensures you spend more time enjoying your coffee and less time refilling. 4. Self-cleaning, easy upkeep, maintenance made simple. Nobody likes cleaning a coffee machine, but with the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker, upkeep is a breeze. The self-cleaning function can be activated with a long press of the clean button, ensuring your coffee maker stays clog-free and ready for the next brew. Additionally, the detachable water reservoir and drip tray make it easy to clean all components without hassle. Enjoy your coffee without worrying about the cleanup. The self-cleaning feature keeps your machine in top shape with minimal effort. 5. Compact size, various uses. Perfect for small spaces. With dimensions of 9.5 x 6 and 14 ps, the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker is compact enough to fit into any space, making it perfect for kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, or even travel. Its sleek design doesn't just save space, it also adds a modern touch to any room. The removable drip tray also makes it convenient to accommodate taller travel mugs. Running out of counter space? The Sunvivi's compact design fits anywhere, so you can enjoy your favorite coffee wherever you are. What sets the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker apart? The Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker isn't just another coffee machine. It's a premium brewing experience packed into a compact device. Here are some targeted features that make it an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts. High-quality performance. With 1400 watts of power, the Sunvivi delivers a robust brewing performance, ensuring your coffee is hot, fresh, and delicious every time. Quick brew time. In just 90 seconds, you can enjoy a fresh cup of coffee, making this coffee maker perfect for busy lifestyles. Customizable brewing. Whether you prefer a small, strong cup or a larger, lighter brew, the Sunvivi accommodates all preferences with its variable brew sizes. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile brewing options for ground coffee, capsules, and tea. Large 30Aux water reservoir for fewer refills. Compact design ideal for small spaces. Self-cleaning feature for easy maintenance. Fast brewing time of 90 seconds. Cons: the machine may be too compact for households requiring frequent refills. The plastic exterior may not appeal to those who prefer stainless steel finishes. Is the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker right for you? If you're looking for a single-serve coffee maker that offers flexibility, ease of use, and a variety of brewing options, the Sunvivi Iced Coffee Maker is worth considering. Its compact size, large water reservoir, and versatile brewing capabilities make it an ideal choice for both home and office settings. Whether you're a coffee aficionado who loves experimenting with different brews, or someone who just wants a reliable machine to make a quick cup in the morning, the Sunvivi fits the bill. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.